We will be starting shortly. Good morning, everyone present. This is Sahil and Puneet. I will be hosting your webinar on on algorithmic trading, source of passive income. Before I get started, I would like to share my journey as an algo trader. I started with cryptocurrency. Me and my friends enjoyed the bull run. I remember increasing my account five folds on 2017 when we had that massive cryptocurrency run. But on December 2017, the crash, the drop was from 20K to 13,000. I still remember vividly what happened. I lost most of my profits and realized a very important lesson from life. Later, I got placed into an MNC, but I couldn't keep myself away from the market. I joined Intelligence 7, which was a fund house. I enjoyed trading there, analyzing the market. I fell in love with teaching because I realized the more I teach, the more I learn. With time, I noticed that we were handling good amount of fund. We were handling around 1 crore, and we traded all different instruments. It was a lot of fun trading the markets, a lot of fun trying new things. But then I started noticing flaws in manual trading. It wasn't that great because you were trading and still the results weren't that scalable and not that attractive. As you can see from the picture, the question of man versus robot always was within me. I always kept debating about that question. Later, I left my company, joined Fox Trading Solution, and I'm closer to the answer right now. Throughout this presentation and in the course to come, I will help you answer the question yourself. Now, I would like Puneet to throw light on his journey.
Thank you, Sahil. It was quite interesting journey of yours. Hi guys, I am Puneet, and I'm the founder of Fox Trading Solutions. So, our journey has been quite interesting. So, we started in 2013 in the cash markets when I was first doing my MBA. In 2015, I completed my MBA and just joined Mansuk Securities just for the sake of understanding what the market is and how the derivatives market works. So back then in 2015, we were handling a quite large firm, and I worked there for around an year. After that, I started my own prop firm in 2016 itself. Uh, we were not making a very much big amount. Rather than say we were breaking even in 2016. Then and finally in 2017, Medwest started making some profits, and then we started uh, you can say started growing. And in 2018 med, or you can say in 2019, I got to know about algorithmic trading, and it was quite interesting. So I discovered that I can do the execution from algorithms rather than doing it manually, and I can in the leisure time do some more backtests, become more profitable as compared to what I am today. So we in 2019 switched on to automated trading for internal use. Then we uh, automated various strategies for our internal clients. Then in 2020, Fox Trading Solutions was actually born for public. So we ventured into a retail space where we are currently in, and in the process, it has been quite insightful dealing with the retail traders, knowing their how abouts, whereabouts, whatever. In the course of the event, we have also written a book for Zerodha's API, which will uh, the main intention behind that was we need to help retail traders understand the logic behind, and that was the intention behind writing that book. So, uh, so we are now handling, you can say, almost 6 crore fund. We are making profits and all algorithmic way. So we are not now into manual trading. So that's about me and Fox Trading Solutions per se. Uh, Over to you, Sahil.
Thank you, Puneet. That was very insightful. As you know, that was our CEO's journey, how he started from manual trading to currently how he's handling massive funds through his algorithmic trading. Now that we know what Fox Trading stands for, how let me let me ask a very interesting question, which I wanted to ask all the viewers. How many of you know about trading? Can we have anything on chat, yes or no, of how many of you know about trading or what trading is? Okay. Great, great. Now that we know that you guys know about trading, let me just give you a brief idea of what the process is like. Yeah. So before when you want to trade, you select a script. A script is anything, any instrument which you want to trade. Now, when you have selected a script, you want to now you have an idea. Okay, the market is going to go up. You have an insight or you have a tip. Market is going to go up. So you want to buy low, sell high. Very simple, and you take the profit. The difference is your profit. Now, I know it sounds simple, but I'm pretty sure if you have traded or you know people who have traded, it is not that simple, right? The process may sound simple, but it's much more complicating than that. Now let me tell you what happens actually when you're trading. When you're trading, you can't really find you when they say buy low, buying at the you don't get the best price always. You might get a normal price. The average price is always below bar. With algorithmic trading, you have the best price there possible. You always get the best price at the best time. While manual trading, you're nervous while placing the order. You're not sure if the order is right. Maybe it's a tip. Maybe you have a gut feeling. You can't really go with a gut feeling while you're placing an order, which makes or maybe you're having a bad day. Different things affect your emotions. Algorithmic trading doesn't care if it has a fight or whatever. It's very instant, it's accurate in its order placement, very perfect. Manual trading, you are always, you have a very fixed view. You have a current time frame and you're trading that time frame. You can't look for multiple market condition. You can't look at different sectors, what is happening globally, what is happening locally. You don't have all those facilities. You just see the screen and you have to place your order. With algorithmic trading, you can check multiple market condition, multiple time frame with precision. And remember the word I use is precision. That is what makes all the difference here. Manual trading, high risk of manual errors. Maybe you're not good with math. Maybe you are very clumsy when high money is involved. People tend to get that when a lot of money is involved. It's a human nature that you have to start doubting yourself. What if you lose that money? You start imagining the worst case scenarios. Computer doesn't have the luxury of an imagination. That's why the risk of manual errors is reduced drastically with algorithmic trading. Manual trading, traders tend to get emotional with the trading and tend to act like gamblers. So once you start losing, you become a gambler. You don't really think about the odds. You don't really think about the market. You have no strategy, just going left, right, center, throwing trades. I remember doing this myself. Like I was having a bad day and I continuously kept trading, over trading, and lost a huge chunk that day. With algorithmic trading, there is no emotion involved. The best part is completely logical. Now there's another. Imagine if you have a mistake in your manual trading. When you're trading manual, you have a mistake. Where do you go? What do you look after? You don't know where to look. You're just confused. Maybe you just know there's something called emotions and you might have gone wrong. But with algorithmic trading, there's a step. You know there's a mistake. You can find out what is the logical error. As we go down the slides, we'll tell you how to form your algorithmic trading. Now with that, you can find what is the logical error, and that logical error can be corrected. The luxury can't be afforded in manual trading. Manual trading is a thing of past. 5 years from now, it'll be completely replaced. But algorithmic trading is a step towards future. Join us as we go to further towards the future with algorithmic trading. Now I would like to call in Puneet again. Puneet is a algorithmic trader, as we all know. He will share you one of his like recent days intraday how using algorithmic trading it was super easy to book profits and without any effort he completely performed the task. Over to you, Puneet.
Yeah, Sahil, actually it was so even I was a manual trader back then in 2017. So even I faced all these things like emotions, uh, all the human behavior means mistakes, like mistakes and all those. So as you all know that we have been onto the algorithmic trading at 9:15 the algorithm start firing strategies. So and at 3:15 we generally go to the screen and see what is the day all about, means is it a profitable day or a loss making day. So that's all we do actually. And in the meanwhile, we do many sort of things like back testing, automation for various products. So the testing and trying goes on, and we just keep on monitoring the system for every 1 hour. That's all we do actually. So nothing much significant. Over to you, Sahil. Nothing much to say on this.
So as you can see, it is very simple when you're when you're trading algos. Like I remember, you just get up in the morning. Your 9 o'clock, your algorithm punches in, starts looking for the market. You don't have to do anything. You can sip your coffee, you can read a book, and your algo places the order. And you can see this is a very simple strategy. It's not, you can find it on YouTube easily. But algo already places the order, and you can go for a walk, come back from lunch, go out, and your order is done, and you can see the profits right here. To see more of the company's performance, I would request Puneet.
Yeah.
I will request Puneet to share his Twitter handle. You all of you can go on Puneet's Twitter handle to see all of his trades, so you have a more accurate perception of how the company's been performing fabulously over the years, how it's been growing. This is the most recent trade of Puneet. I will Puneet, if you can share the link, all our viewers
Uh,
can.
I'll share it in the chat box itself. You can
Yes,
continue.
yes, perfect. So you can just see all of the profits. Now we've seen how easy algorithmic trading is and how profitable it is. So it's natural for everyone to move towards algorithmic trading. Would like in an era where everyone's got cell phone, which is cheap and much better than telephone, would you opt for a telephone? No, right? You would obviously go for a cell phone. Same thing goes for algorithmic trading. Why would you go for manual trading when there's something much easier, much more like you don't have to spend any time on it, and it's giving much better results. So past 8 years, HFT is high frequency trading, which is another type of algorithmic trading. Quants is also more mathematically inclined algorithmic trading. You can see how rapidly it's been rising. 10 years ago there were only 1% algo traders. Right now there are 50% algo traders in India and 50% retail traders. The rate is 11%. SEAGR is the growth rate of algorithmic traders, and the profits are massive. As you can see, secret behind an Indian quant firm outperforming peers in 2020. Human versus machine, next frontier of wealth. High frequency trading are winning big thanks to coronavirus disruption. The time of coronavirus and mutual funds, companies, investors are losing tons and tons of money. Algorithmic traders are making so much money. Why? Let me give you a simple reason. To make a lot of money, we are all mathematicians here, we work on logic. So it's a simple logic. To make a lot of money, you need to take a lot of risk. That's the only way to make a lot of money. Humans taking risk, you get nervous. What if you start imagining the what if scenario, the fear of missing out, fear of being wrong, all of those fears start acting on you. But with machine, there is no fear, there is no emotion, hence it's capable of taking large risk. And with large risk, the results are right in front of you. You can expect large rewards, a lot of rewards with large risk. That being said, that's how algorithmic trading is and how rapidly it's growing. Now you as a viewer, how can you get in part of it? How can you be a part of the action? How can you have a piece of the pie, right? So here is the step by step process of building your own algorithmic trading model. This is very simple. I'll go through the entire thing. You will have a complete idea how we as Fox Trading Solutions will take you through or teach you how algorithmic trading is done. First, we ask you to build a hypothesis. Hypothesis is a strategy. So me, I'll be the one, I'll be the faculty who teaches option trading. So with option trading, you have a lot of different options and a lot of different strategies. We will first understand what is option trading, then make a strategy. After we're done making a strategy, we'll analyze the strategy. What is the entry price? What is the exit price? If you all can, note these points down, it'll be very helpful in the later on. So if you have a pen or paper, I would request you to note all of these down, right? So you have a hypothesis. You analyze everything. You analyze all the points. When to enter, when to exit, what time frame are we taking. You break down the strategy into its very base and core elements. When you break it down in such a way that even a 5-year-old can understand it, your code can also understand it, right? Like I said, we at Fox Trading Solution work with the principle simplicity is the key to our success. The more simpler your model is, the more simpler your thoughts are, the better your results are. The more complex you go, the more complicating things get, right? So after you've done with your simple analysis, you have broken down your entire strategy into steps. We formulate into code. Coding will be taken by Puneet, where he will teach you basics of Python, how you can code your strategy in Python, what kind of libraries to use, and all the ins and out of Python. Once you so now you found your strategy, you've made your analysis, you've coded your strategy. This is where it gets very lot of fun. This is your edge. Remember, you to win in cricket, Sachin's edge was his batting skills. To win in algorithmic trading, you need an edge. Right now, the edge is not before, like in past 20, 30 years, the edge was gut feeling, right? If you are a good day trader, you need to have a great gut feeling. Right now, the edge is data. As we all know, data is taking over everywhere. That's why we play with data. Testing phase is where we play with data. Back testing is we'll look at the previous charts. Like history says, whatever happened in the past will happen in the future. We look at the past data, we look for patterns, we start testing our models, test our models on different parameters, get the results. Now whatever results you get wouldn't really be the best results, right? Sometimes you might not get what's desirable. So you go to optimization. Optimization, you start changing the parameters, you start tweaking with it. You start looking for points, as in maybe the time frame is not right, maybe the crossover is not that great. So you start changing your RSI values, start changing the values of your entry exit, and then after you've changed the value, you go back to back testing and start seeing, okay, this is the value. Now you start tweaking it to get the best ideal back testing results. You go through the entire process, you have a great back testing results. With great back testing results, we go back and we deploy the strategy. Deploying the strategy is taking the strategy to the live market, where we have deployed some capital to the account, and then the account is gone to the market and starts trading. We apply good risk management and R&D to get the ideal result required, right? This is where you have a good expectancy model. We use probability, we use statistics, we use everything in all of the processes. Now I've taught you the stages in algorithm trading, but I'm sure most of you would have this question. Okay, Sahil, I have the stages in my mind, but how can I learn all of this? It's not simple to learn what backtesting is. Some of you not won't even know what Python is. How will you code? Most of you wouldn't know what options are or what how options can be used to make strategies. How can you do it? That's why we come into the picture. We make sure that we, through a simplistic model, you understand from the basics to advanced level everything that goes in algorithmic trading. What are the steps? Every steps we have a very structured checkup where we take tests. We have live trading models. We make sure after the classes that you are profitable. We have a live constant. I only to make sure you are profitable. This is the details of the course. We have two halves. First is Python, then is option trading. Python will be taken up by Puneet, option by me. And this is a course structure which I would like all of you to take a close eye on. You can take screenshots, you can start taking notes, anything is fine. So the course is divided into two halves. You can choose either one. One is a basic course, another one is advanced course. Basic course is for beginners, someone who has zero skill in market, zero skill in Python. We welcome you with open arms. You are more than welcome. It's the course fee is 35,000, which is way below the market expectation. We aim for a model where it's affordable, simple, and result oriented. We are very result oriented. That's what is our edge. Duration is 1 month. 1 month we teach you, like in the previous slides, we teach you Python. We teach you options, we teach you option strategies, live market, and then live market. This is important. Live market, we put you in the live market and we ask you to trade, and we tell you, okay, this is a strategy, this is the code, trade in the market. We make you trade. We keep checking your results. What are your results? We start making changes in your result. After making those changes in your result, we make sure that you're profitable. End of the course expectation of a trader can be he's profitable. After this course, you can easily expect to be profitable after this course. Number of projects which you will be made to do is one during the basic course module. So that's about basic course. Advanced course, we have for beginners and advanced. Advanced are people who have been trading, traders who are looking to make completely automate themselves, traders who are looking to learn new mathematical models to get a mathematical edge over the market, or to get or to use the data as an edge over the market. Or it can be for beginners who don't know anything over the market are more than welcome in the advanced course. Advanced course will help you come from basics to becoming something very very significant in the world, right? The course fee is 85,000, which is still fairly very reasonable compared to standards. As you know, algorithmic trading is a very priced much at a very large scale in the industry. We at Fox Trading are with a motto simplistic with an affordable manner. Duration is 2 months because you have a lot of course, a lot of things to learn in the advanced model. You have options, you have option strategies. So the different strategies in the options which can like the one we showed on the profit slides, if you remember. So this strategy is you're buying and selling simultaneously. So you can see call option, put option, call option, put option. So you're buying and selling, which is called the straddle strategy. So we have different strategies which we'll be teaching you, which will be profitable over the period. 2 months of strategy, live 2 months. These 2 months are going to be super crucial because we'll be teaching you how to be profitable. Also, we'll teach you how to make the right kind of model. We will be guiding you over the projects, what kind of improvements to make, what kind of mathematical edge you need to add, how can you build a better model which is robust and efficient and delivering great results. So after this course, you can expect to be a profitable trader, which is there. You will have a robust resume. So you will have so many projects lined up under your resume, which will make your resume very attractive. And an attractive resume is always required to get the favorable job. You will have multiple projects. These projects will help you get listed and get the job you're requiring. Now the opportunities in algorithmic trading course is abundant. Like you can like I've shown you in the previous slides, the number of HFT traders are increasing massively, and financial industry is known to be pay very well. Currently, every investment banks are paying their traders to code and paying their coders to trade. Everyone is required to code in all the industry. We are moving towards algorithmic trading. There's a huge gap in the market which needs to be filled. We need people to become an algorithmic trader. And being an algorithmic trader is not only high paying job, but it's a very interesting job because it's completely logic based. It's not a job which is very repetitive, right? It's a logic based job. Also, it's very easy, short hours. As Puneet told in the previous profit, this was his 1 day's profit, and all he had to do was get up. And if Puneet could have easily chosen not to see the screen the entire day, and the profit would have been the same, right, Puneet?
Right. So this is the case.
Yeah, he could have easily just walked out the entire day, gone out for a movie, come back, and this would have been the profit. But I'm not saying it's easy. You need to work with the right direction and right effort and right mentors. You can get the results which we are delivering right now. High frequency traders, quantitative researchers, senior analysts, your own prop firm. You can even choose to opt your own prop firm. We even allow entrepreneurs later on. You can be a hedge fund manager, you can manage funds. The opportunities are abundant and the pay is much better than your other jobs. These are really high paying jobs with a massive growth rate or large scope. Now I would like to handle over to Puneet, who will give you more detail as to how the good traders can have an opportunity to work with us, and will also be given a fund to manage, right, Puneet?
Right. Uh, So it's like there are various career opportunities, or be your own boss, like everybody on the corporates or anybody else would aim to be. So we also provide funds to managers who have like a great strategy with themselves. So we just take the backtest report, we scrutinize it, and we almost give some funds for trading, and we increase it exponentially in the long run because it builds trust with the trader itself. So there are various career opportunities. I chose to be one of them. So my intent was actually like I want to become a trader, so algorithmic trader or whatever the thing is. So I have been on into many of these rules which are mentioned over here. So if you need any assistance in means all these roles, fitting into all these roles, you can get back to me. So my Twitter handle is mentioned over here. Maybe you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or any other social media platform. So Sahil,
Thank you. Now we'll be moving on to the Q&A question. Remember, we asked you to share your questions and we will be answering them during the seminar. Hashtag Ask Puneet. So let's get to a couple of some of the questions. We will ask the panel to now go to the chat screen and ask whatever questions you want to ask so that we can answer those questions right away.
yeah.
Right?
So Sahil, you can put up the questions.
Yeah. Karthik, 1 second. We'll just answer all the questions which were given to us before, and then we'll get to your questions. All right, Puneet. First question is
Hmm.
uh, future of algorithmic trading. I think we covered that. How much capital is required to be an algo trader?
So it's similar to manual trading. So we are just automating the process of manual trading. So it should be similar to what we are trading with manual. Maybe 5,000. We can start with on trading onto the cash segment for testing the things. Then we can move on to uh, a bigger chunk of capital.
All right. What is annual return? What is your annual return, Puneet?
So I aim monthly like 2 to 2.5%, and an annual return of like 20 to 24%. That's all about it. With a maximum drawdown of 3 to 4%. So our drawdown should be the one which we need to focus on. So that's my objective, to keep the drawdown small and the returns on a consistent basis.
Right. So most of you should understand that having a 20% return rate is massive because Warren Buffett himself has a 20% return. And the focus, like Puneet said, should be on the drawdown. You should focus on reducing your losses on a regular basis to improve your overall expectancy of your model. Okay,
Yes.
now that questions are over, let's get to the panel. First question is from Karthik. Will you teach
Hmm.
option backtesting with complex strategies?
We go for option strategies. So we'll in the advanced course we'll cover this. In the basic course we won't. And in the advanced course, what we'll do is we'll help you with backtesting straddles, triangles, butterfly, contours, maybe will be a spread, something of this sort. So yeah, we would be covering that.
Yeah, Karthik. I hope your question was answered. In the advanced course, we have the complete option strategies. All of the option strategies will be taught. But if you are opting for basic course, that will also do because we'll be teaching you Greeks and option trading, buying of options, selling of options. Strategies won't be covered, but the basics of options will be covered in a very comprehensive manner. Right?
Just like to add, so basic course is just for automating our chips and overview of backtesting. We won't deep dive into it. And in the advanced course, we'll be covering stats, backtesting, everything in the means whatever we can. So that's all about it.
Any other questions?
So we
Puneet,
have a question.
yeah, I'm a marketer with no experience and knowledge of coding, little knowledge of trading.
So Snail, that's good to know that you have little knowledge of trading. So it's like we nurture the traders in a way that they become profitable. So that's our course objective. So it's like you can come to us, learn option strategy, some basics about trading. So it's like you can go for the Python module, you can become profitable, and you can earn alongside your job if you are doing something.
Yeah, I hope that answers your question, Snehal. Yeah, I'm sure you can learn and automate. The whole objective of the course is to make you understand step by step of, like we said in the slides, we teach you from installation of Python to deploying your code in the market. Everything is going to be taught in a very step by step manner, and all the details will be covered. Yeah, Pradeep, are you going to teach live market, Puneet? I think,
So we are going for a mix of live and weekend classes. So theory and means coding and all these parts would be covered in the weekend, and there would be few live sessions so that you can implement what you have learned in the live market. I think this answers our question. Oh, sorry, this answers the question. Sorry. Snehil is also asking. Uh, so you said you have experience in managing the funds. Yeah, actually we do manage funds. So currently the AUM is around 6 CR, and we are in the process of increasing the fund size actually.
yeah, Pradeep,
So
I think there's a question by Pradeep also. So I have to enroll separately for both the levels. No, Pradeep, you can enroll for one level. And if you want to
uh,
attend both the levels, I think you can do directly for advanced. You don't have to go for basic course for both the levels.
yeah, so advanced actually covers both. Means whatever we teach in basic would be there in the advanced way. So you can go for advanced.
Can you please tell the tentative schedule of the course means which days and hours? Karthik?
So we'll be tentatively starting from uh, second week of Feb, and the classes would be there would be four classes, two on the weekends and two in the weekdays.
For any other questions regarding regarding the timings, you can always call us, and we will be more than happy to help you out, help your timetable adjust with ours to find the right midpoint, like find the right time.
Yes. First of all, you can enroll with us. Timings and all we can just schedule according to everybody's match. We have actually one more question. How much is the course going to cost? So Snail, the basic module would be like 35,000, and the advanced module would be 85,000. Hmm. Do we have any more questions, Sahil?
Yeah, Karthik has a last question. Will you provide recording if you are not able to attend? Karthik, if you are not able to attend, we will try to make sure you attend the classes. We will schedule it to other batches. Worst case scenario, we will make sure you attend the classes. We will give you the classes. We'll make sure you attend all the levels. There is no chance of like we don't have to give recordings because we only indulge in live trading, live teaching, right? Any other questions? This is our contact details. Please contact us regarding anything you want to talk about trading, you want to talk about the markets, you want to know what is going to happen. You can even ask Puneet for tips. Puneet will give you the tips for market as well.
Tips is actually means I wouldn't say tips. I would say some advice, career advice,
Yeah.
or building some strategy tips. Is like
Yeah.
I wouldn't say anything about tips.
Yeah,
So
so you can call Puneet or me or any of us, and we will be more than happy to give you any answer any of your query regarding algorithmic trading, the future of algorithmic trading, whether you want a job, whether you want to learn properly, you want to update, automate your model. Please feel free to contact us. We'll be more than happy to address all of your problems.
and even if you do not join the course, we can stay in touch. We can interact. We can uh, discuss about the markets. If you want to know something, you can reach out to me. So
Yes,
it's like building a long term relationship rather than a short term. So that's what we believe in.
exactly. We'll have a lot more to offer. We have lots of webinars coming in with informative webinars on different models, machine learning, different option strategies which you can use in the market. So those webinars you can always attend, even if you do, you can attend those webinars despite all anything, right? So with that note, sure, Rohit, we will definitely keep you all in our mailing list. We welcome you to any of our webinars which will be on different topics regarding algorithmic trading, option strategies, mathematical models, so you can keep learning with us and growing with us.
Sure.
All right, with that note, I think we are
Yeah.
almost done, right?
Yes. Yes. We are almost done. Uh, I guess we do not have any further questions, and we have dropped in the contact numbers. So it's like they can reach out to us in case they have any more queries. So we can end the session over here.
All right,
And we thank you all for attending this session at a very short notice. So thank you.
thank you.
Bye, guys.